ABS back on, new end links, new sway bar polyurethane bushings, new struts, new bushings for the struts. Again, new rotors, new pads, everything back together, new tie rods, new castle nut, cotter pin, everything torqued down to spec, man, and we have successfully damn near rebuilt this whole entire Corvette suspension. I can't wait to go on a drive. All right, guys, I'm gonna talk through a little bit more driving and some impressions that I have so far. Roll this up. So first off, just in general, this is the safest I've ever felt in this car. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it was a little bit sketch the way I was driving it before. I get good rebound now and the car settles very, very quickly. With the struts, new struts, but it's just not that stiff, man. Oh, she's flat. Oh, she's flat. Oh, she's so flat and predictable.